Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to grow wheatgrass at home and also how to make wheatgrass juice at home only. So let's check out the process. In a bowl, take 2 spoons of good quality of wheat grains and soak them in water for about 12 hours. After 12 hours, our seeds will look like this. Drain the water from the seeds. Now transfer the seeds into a thin cotton cloth. Bring together all the edges and roll tightly to make a knot. Like the way I am showing in the video. Once done, wet the cotton cloth by sprinkling some more water and place it aside for about 1.5 days. We have to make sure that the cotton cloth should be wet always. After 36 hours, my sprouts are looking like this. So that means they are ready to get planted. Take any plastic box and make holes. I made the holes like this. The height of the box should be 6 to 7 centimeters because the roots will grow very deep for the wheatgrass. Take some wet soil as shown. On top of the wet soil, add some coco peat. Once done, spread seeds on top of the coco peat. Follow the process as shown. Now add one more layer of coco peat or soil by hiding the seeds. If you don't have coco peat, then you can use soil. Now sprinkle the water. We always have to sprinkle the water. We should not pour the water. So once done, cover the boxes with wet cotton cloth which we have used earlier to make sprouts. Place them near window for sunlight. Sunshade is enough. So on day 1, our wheatgrass will look like this. Direct sun will damage the grass. So make sure it is always in the shady place in your home. See how quickly the wheatgrass has grown by day 4. Now it's time to cut the grass and make a juice. Cut the wheatgrass above the root so that it will grow again. It takes a lot of wheatgrass to make few shots of wheatgrass juice. So you will need more than 2 boxes of seedlings growing at a time. Clean wheatgrass with water. Once done, transfer them to a mixer jar. Cut the grass into 2 and add little more water and blend it. Use strainer to take out the solids. Only liquid should go into the glass. Add 1 spoon of honey and 1 ice cube to the juice and add little more water if you want. Mix it thoroughly. Drink this wheatgrass juice in the morning with empty stomach. Enjoy a shot of wheatgrass. Wheatgrass has so many benefits. It improves blood circulation, regulates blood sugar levels, it fights cancer, it's good for heart health, it promotes detoxification, boosts energy, it's good for teeth, it's good for skin, it improves digestion, and it stimulates metabolism. It helps produce more red blood cells count, it reduces fatigue, and also it helps to heal the wounds faster. It has much more benefits which are not listed here. So I hope you all will drink the wheatgrass juice daily. Thank you for watching. Bye.